Hello, children. Good morning. I hope you are all doing well. I am so glad that you have all done your homeworks given by me last week and the previous week. Very good. Many of you have done the homework very well. I am so glad. Now, shall we go for a recall? Okay. What's happened in the last week? Yes, people started living in Mars because the earth was desolated. Okay, Ariyomadi's family also settled in Mars. Her grandfather came to her house to wish her on her birthday. Now, after getting up, they started going to vegetate in the vegetation hab. But grandfather did not like the carrots grown on Mars because he had already eaten the carrots grown in earth. He doesn't like the carrots on Mars. Now let's see what happened afterwards. I am going to read the passage for this day. Please listen carefully. Now the grandfather was sad, like he is missing the earth. He said, the earth had fertile soil, so the fruits and vegetables grow were healthy and tasty. She asked, but I learnt that humans used chemical fertilizers and polluted the soil. Here we get unpolluted food and water. Is that correct? Grandfather laughed. Already I told you, these fruits and vegetables and water are not the same as on the earth. They are not real. Arivu exclaimed, even the water? He said, of course. In Mars, we get water from burning fuels. On the earth, we used to get water from rain. It was natural and it was free. She said, Grandpa, enough of your stories about the earth. I know that life there was not easy, but here survival is very difficult. He replied, yes, my dear, adapting to Mars is difficult. Today, we are fighting for things which we got easily. He continued, in the earth, you did not need a space suit or an oxygen cylinder. Also, the years are longer here. Arivu said, yes, Grandpa, in Mars, 689 days make a year. He smiled, ha ha ha. Yes, you would be 18 years old on the earth now. Grandpa thought to himself, we destroyed our home, the home that nature had offered us. Now we are trying to make this our home. Arivu looked at him and said, don't worry, Grandpa. The scientists are trying to terraform the Mars. He said, true, but nothing can be the earth. The earth is our home. Let us leave this for now. Today, we should celebrate. Shall I explain the passage, children? Listen carefully. Grandfather was very sad because he is missing the earth. He is missing the carrots, the fertility, everything. He told Ariyomadi that the earth had a fertile soil, so the fruits and vegetables grow there were healthy and tasty. But here, Ariyomadi said, because the humans have polluted the earth by using the chemical fertilizers, we get unpolluted food and water. Grandfather laughed. Already I told you, wherever we get fruits, vegetables, water, it is not real. It is not the same as on the earth. They were not real. Arivu exclaimed, even the water? Of course, because in Mars we get rain only by burning the fuels. But on Earth, do you know, children, how do we get rain on Earth? Anybody? How do we get rain? Very good. If we get water from the rain, it was natural and it was free for everybody. She said, she was very angry because grandfather is always telling something about the earth. So she was angry and said, enough of your stories about the earth. Okay. Yes. But adapting to Mars is very difficult, no, grandfather replied her. We are fighting for things which we get easily. What we got on earth easily, now they are fighting to get the things. So he was very sad. He continued, in the earth we did not need a space suit or an oxygen cylinder. Do we have a space suit or carrying on oxygen cylinder always, children? Is there any need? No, because the air is fresh and we are breathing the air. So there is no need for the oxygen cylinder. But here on Mars, they have to wear a space suit and they have to always carry an oxygen cylinder. And also the years there were long. In Mars, how many days make a year on Earth? Anybody? Geeta, can you say how many days are in a year? Very good. 365. But in Mars, we have 687 days. Grandpa thought to himself, oh God, we have destroyed our home. We destroyed the home which nature had given us. Now we are trying to make this our home. This means Mars. Arivu looked at him because her grandfather was very sad, no? She consoled him. Don't worry, Grandpa. The scientists are trying to terraform the Mars. Terraform means they are making the place like Earth. He said, true, but nothing can be Earth. Whatever they do, it won't be like the Earth. Okay, now let us leave it. We'll celebrate your birthday. Okay? Do you understand the content, children? Shall we go to the meanings of these words? Okay. I will say some new words and tell their meanings. First one, fertilizer. Fertilizer means a chemical or natural substance added to soil to increase the fertility. Fertilizer, a chemical or natural substance added to soil to make it fertile. Next word, polluted. Polluted means contaminated. Contaminated. Next word, exclaimed. Exclaimed. Cry out in surprise. Cry out in surprise. Exclaimed. Cry out in surprise. The next word, fuel. Fuel means energy source. We have so many fuels, no? Kerosene, petrol, diesel, like that. Energy source. The next word is survival. Survival means to remain alive. To remain alive. Next, adapting. Adapting means readjust. Adapting means readjust. Next, space suit. You have already know that suit, isn't it? Now we are going to learn about space suit. Space suit is a dress worn by an astronomer to survive in space. Space suit means a dress worn by an astronaut to survive in space. Offered. Offered means presented or give. Offer means present or give something. The last word, terraform. I think you have already know the word forming like that. Terraform means transform a planet so as to resemble the earth. Transform a planet so as to resemble the earth. Do you understand? Okay. You go through the lesson, you read these passages once again, you go through the meanings also, and then you can do the activity. Shall we go to the activity now? First, I have given match the meanings. I have given one side meanings, words. You have to match the words with their meanings. First is desolated. I have mixed the meanings, children. You have to find out which one is the correct meaning for desolated. Okay. Dust storm, survival, offer, capsule, polluted, destroyed. These are the words given in the book. Now I am going to read the meanings. They are not in the proper order. You have to match the meanings. A small case or container, cylindrical in shape. Contaminated, deserted, damaged. A strong turbulent wind carries dust or soil. To remain alive. To remain alive. Present or give. Present or give. The next activity is make sentences of your own. I think you might have known this. We will give a word. You have to use the word in a sentence, in your own words. Right? I'll give you an example. Fertile. Fertile means to make the land or soil fertile to grow crops. The farmers keep their farms fertile to grow crops. Fertile, the farmers keep their farms fertile to grow crops. Like this, you have to frame sentences for the words given below. Shall I read the words now? Traveled, surprised, polluted, celebrate, eagerly. Traveled, surprised, pollute, celebrate, eagerly. All these 5 words, you can frame a sentence. Now, shall we go to the book back exercise? Book back exercise, there is choose the correct answer and one fill up is there. I'll post the thing in the video. Okay, 4th one is answer the following. Answer the following. Last week, many of you did the thing very well. You have found the answers very well. The first question is, why was grandfather sad? Why was grandfather sad? Second one, how did humans pollute the soil? How did humans pollute the soil? The third one is, where do we need an oxygen cylinder? Where do we need an oxygen cylinder? Fourth, how many days make a year on Mars? How many days make a year on Mars? The last one, what are the scientists trying to do? What are the scientists trying to do? Very good, children. I have given 5 questions. You answer these 5 questions. You write down all the exercises in a paper or in your notebook and send it to my WhatsApp number. I think most of you know that we have a group for English, My Students. I have formed a new group for us. You send it to that group. I have added all your numbers. You send to me. I will correct and give you marks. Do you know? Many of you have got 20 out of 20 each week. I hope this week also you may get all the 20. Very good. Thank you. All the best.